Hey guys, Matt here. I'm coming to you from the church library. Came over to check some things out. Church is in good shape still. Things are going well over here. So just wanted to say hello and wish everyone the best. Let you know we're thinking of you. We're praying for you. I know this is a tough time for everyone. The COVID-19 is just changing the way we do a lot of things. So one of the things that we're changing, or one option we have, is our giving to our church. Has been a question: how do I give? Can we continue to give? Which is great. People have been sending in checks, and we appreciate that. Our Bill Noble has been doing a heck of a job keeping up on all that stuff and getting things deposited, and that's going well. One of the other options we have is something that we're going to roll out, and we hadn't got quite to it yet, so we're ready to now, which is a blessing, is our online giving. So it's something brand new that most of us haven't messed with yet. I know that, so what I thought I would do is flip the camera to my computer screen and let you follow along click for click on how to go through the process. It's very simple. It's quite painless, and you may find that that's an easier option for you. So it's just something we wanted to show you. So I'm going to flip the camera around, show you my computer screen, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, here's how this is going to work. So we're going to open up your web browser and go right up to your search bar and type in nmbaptist.com. And that'll bring you right to our homepage. We have a lot of information here on the website, all kinds of stuff from ministry and updates from Pastor on COVID-19. But for this video, we're going to click right here, the word that says give. It's a button. You can click that word and it opens up another page where you'll come down to this black box and you'll click that one again. Now once you click that, it takes us to our PushPay account, and you'll see that we have the Northmoreland Baptist Church sign and logo up in the left hand corner and a photo of the church behind it. That is our personal website for this, and PushPay is the service that runs this for us. So as you can see down here, you can set up for recurring gifts. So this can be a one-time setup and leave it alone thing for you. You can do it every week, every 2 weeks, once a month, so on and so forth. You have your start time date, and then right here you can choose which fund. And as for the time being, we're just going to have general fund and missions fund as an option. For today, you're going to go to give one time. That's what I'm going to do. Now, I've shot this video a few times today, so in order to not run out of money, at this point I'm just going to run $1. I'm going to put it in the general fund. As you can see here, you can choose this option right there as well. And then we're going to click next. Now this page may pop up. It's a login type of page and also a security measure. So you're going to get a text message to your cell phone. So you're going to punch your cell phone number in here and hit enter. And shortly you'll get a text message. Usually it takes about 10 to 30 seconds for that text message to show up. And mine just came in, so it's going to text you a code, and now you're going to punch this code in. Here's my personal code, and this changes every time you enter this. Now right here you can click Stay Signed In, and this shouldn't pop up anymore. So you're going to stay signed in right there and hit Confirm. Okay, now that's like I said, a login / security type measure. So now you're going to go ahead and confirm your gift. So we've got $1 up here towards the general fund, and then going to the Northmoreland Baptist Church. If you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see I have my debit card saved in here. So it's always there when I come in. Or you can add a payment, and you have the options of credit card, debit cards, or you can even link your bank account. Whatever is most convenient for you. So that's once you set those up, that's a one-time setup, and then you don't have to worry about it anymore. So once you confirmed that everything looks good, you come down here, and this button right here, give $1, this is the final step. So you're going to click this button, and once the next screen pops up, thank you for your generosity. This sends an email directly to you immediately. So I'm going to jump over to my email, hit a refresh here, and right there you see PushPay. I'll open that up, and you'll see an email from our church, the date that you did this, a transaction number, and an authorization code. this is your receipt for your gift. So you can print this out and keep it for tax time or whatever you want to do with that. And once that happens, you're all done. So it's just that easy. All right, so there you have it, guys. It's not a very painful thing to do. It's actually quite easy. I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions about it, just go ahead and leave a comment on the YouTube video down below there. I'll check them out and I'll see that and I'll try to reach out to you. Just another thing I thought of as we were doing that is if we do this giving online the way it's set up, it's one less thing that Bill has to touch. And as we know, the coronavirus is living on certain services for an extended period of time. I haven't heard about mail or paper yet, but I know cardboard is a couple days. And stainless steel is also another big one. So there's a lot of services this stuff sticks to. Let's just give Bill one less thing to touch, and it's another chance that we can slow down the spread of this virus. So, like I said, guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. We'll check them again. We miss you all. We're praying for all of you. Thanks for watching this, and hopefully we'll see you guys really, really soon. Take care.